Wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. Let's go on the longest journey far away. See elephant out in the wild. Forget every word we've ever known. Sunrise, sunset, hopes and dreams and regret. Now it's all the same. Call me out from my shadow self. It's time I can tell. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water. We're not gonna wait, not gonna waste our time. We're not gonna stress, not gonna make a mess. Oh, no, I don't wanna be less than I can be. The waterfalls wash me. The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. You wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. Wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water. Wicked drowning water.
Hi, you guys. For starters, this lighting is horrendous and I can't fix it. I don't have a ring light on me. There's no other form of lighting in this place except for this dingy overhead light. So, welcome to Kyoto. Today was our first full day in Kyoto, and really all we did was run around to all of the temples. If you look at a map, we were in the northeast corner of the city, and I seriously can't tell you how many temples we went to. There was one after the other, after the other, after the other, and I don't know how long we walked. Actually, I can look. Okay, so we walked a total of 11 miles. 23,000 steps. Probably half of that was uphill, downhill. Kyoto is like very touristy and very foreigner friendly. Almost everybody speaks English. All of the other tourists seem to either speak English, there's a lot of Koreans, and there's a lot of Chinese. And I understand a lot of Chinese. And I understand a decent amount, like an okay amount of Korean. I really speak no Japanese. I tried once upon a time to learn katakana and hiragana, but no luck in that department. We found which is so random, we found like a rabbit temple or like a bunny temple. It had rabbits on the front. There was like rabbits out in front of the gates. They were selling rabbit themed talismans and good luck bags and charms and stuff, which I've gotten a handful in Taiwan, but I don't usually get them, except for I have like this weird affinity with rabbits because a couple of my like close friends, apparently my personality reminds them of a rabbit. I have a lot of energy a lot of the time. Someone referred to me as fiercely independent. Like I said, I don't usually buy talisman, but I did feel like it was appropriate to get a bunny themed talisman. This one says like a rabbit jumping or flying over your right shoulder, and it's like supposed to propel you forward. I thought the yellow was incredibly striking and very pretty, and so my last one that I got blessed at a temple in Tainan actually is working. So let's hope this one also does its job. Lastly, okay, we also stopped by this place that had taomei dafu, which is like strawberry daifuku, and they had a mucha flavored one. It got a little smushed on the travel over back to the Airbnb, but let's see. We're just gonna dive right in and see what happens. Oh wow. Okay, it's delicious. Ooh, it's such a strong flavor of matcha. I love a real strong matcha flavor. And I mean, we're in Kyoto. It's probably the best place to get authentic, real matcha. I'm going to devour that later. We are going to be in Kyoto for 4 days. This is going to be one hell of a vlog. I'm really excited. Kyoto is like ridiculously beautiful. It's kind of sick how beautiful this city is. Like, it's so tourist friendly, and I really love getting off the beaten path, but I mean, these temples and the natural beauty, you have to see it. Like, it's so worth seeing, regardless of how touristy it's become. I feel a little bit tired, but you know, I do walk a lot normally day to day, so walking everywhere doesn't really scare me. I'm doing all right. I will probably see you in the morning. See you on Kyoto day 2. Hi you guys, we're on top of the Kyoto station right now. I am full of hot liquid and ramen. I didn't eat all of it, but oh my god, I'm like so full of food. The view from up here is really cool, really lovely. Arigato. Good morning, guys. It's currently 5:45 in the morning. I am going to run to 7-Eleven and get a quick breakfast, a really quick snack, and then we're gonna get on like an hour's worth of trains and we are going to go to the bamboo forest. Arashiyama? I'm not quite sure. I'm very excited because the sun is not up yet, and if it rises on our way there or when we get there, that would be ideal. Let's go. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Arashiyama. The infamous bamboo forest sits right in front of me now. Also, the sun just rose. It's probably like 5 degrees Celsius outside, and I wanted to light up a little bit more before we go in so we can really see everything. So it's also currently day 3 here in Kyoto, and this is probably going to be the last day of actual vloggable things. Even though I'm here in Japan, the semester continues, school goes on. So I actually still have a couple of assignments due, and so I have to work on those tomorrow. And then we are going to Osaka, so stay tuned for that vlog, which is coming up next. Even though I went with some friends on this trip, I've been really deliberate in taking solo days and making sure that I'm still doing some solo travel, because I've mentioned this before in my Korea vlogs, but once you do solo travel once, it's hard to not do it again. Trips with friends are great. There are certain aspects of solo travel that are just unbeatable. You learn so much about yourself, and I'm trying to do a little bit of that on this Japan trip. Today is one of those days. Today we get a solo day. Let's go check out this magical forest. Okay, we're heading back into the center of Arashiyama now. And oh my god, shout out to Eva who helped me take my photo. Solo travelers helping solo travelers. She was such a sweetie, such an angel. I didn't get any of her contact, but shout out to her.
요즘 따라 네 생각은 잘 안 나. 우리 헤어지고 나서 feeling better than ever. 대체 무슨 사이였는지 이제
に停まります。まもなく渦政です。円町です。
myself, girl, working on myself, girl. Yeah. Trying to get back to good health, girl. Got to get back to one day I saw you by chance. Felt how long it's been. Now here I am again, falling for the second time. Don't say another word to me. Don't try to get me to believe every little thing you say, but don't wanna hear that you've changed. Don't try to tell me you've got faith. Every little thing you say. Okay. There I was, recollecting memories of us. There I was, paralyzed, the cat caught my tongue. There I was, dreaming possibilities, living in past fantasies. Damn, I got the eagle eye, couldn't help but notice. Really caught me by surprise, you look different. Not like any other time, girl, I really can't help you know we.
Hey you guys, we are now in Osaka, and those were our last few days in Kyoto. I really don't have a ton to say. It was a lot of temples, a lot of shrines. Kyoto is absolutely worth seeing. You don't need a lot of days. I would only recommend going for a few days. I will catch you guys in a couple weeks in the Osaka vlog. I will see you then. Bye.